Not only would I wear it every day, but I could wreck some stages with it. Okay, gorgeous. Way more than I expected came, like, it's very, very pigmented. I love this. You know when you find that one brush that you're like, I'm in love with you now? Okay, I can feel the wax, and it's clinging to the hair, which is absolutely fabulous. Love that. Alrighty, let us whatever I just touched that took me to another galaxy. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I need to get like highly involved in that right now.
But this is the Glam palette, and this is the...
Oh my God. I didn't even touch that. I didn't mean to. I didn't even touch it. Look, it's... I'm sorry. Did not even touch that. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. It's the limited edition Oh My God palette that's gonna go right there. Are you kidding me? I'm not crying, you're crying. Okay, I am not at all prepared for how pigmented. I didn't even touch you. I didn't even touch it. And it's like, so great. Wow. This is a strange request, but do you have a clear lip gloss?
We do.
Thank you. You know what I'm gonna do. Because you can do fun things like this with it. Listen, I come from the school of opera, people screaming at you in the wings, and you're like, fine, 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 I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. And you are running and blowing on the lash at the same time. I feel like RuPaul can attest to this. This is what we do. Amongst yourselves. Okay, here we go. We're using I would choose Notorious.
How's it feel?
Like a purple mattress. The fact that it's not on my teeth as I'm laughing and applying it, amazing. Wow. Say less. What is this? Beautiful. It wears like a stain, but it feels creamy like a lipstick, but I know it's not going anywhere and it's not bleeding. It's not sitting in the lines. And I feel like I can eat a microphone and be okay. And it feels really, really moisturizing. Not dry, not sticky, not tacky. I can't believe how pigmented it is. You don't have to rub it. You don't have to force it onto your applicator, whether it's your finger, your wand, your brush. You dab it, and there is so much to go along. It's ridiculous. I think this makeup is fabulous, and not only would I wear it every day, but I could wreck some stages with it.